Okay guys, I came to get a king cake to tell y'all about king cakes, and I was actually going to take a clip of a good friend and customer of mine from a radio show that he did earlier that got me interested in it, and I come to get a king cake at Broad Street Baking Company.
Hello, Jason.
Company.
Hold on. I'm
what?
gonna pick up trash because
he's-
that's what I always do.
Jeff Good is the owner of Broad Street Baking Company. And
There's always
it won't
somebody.
lock again?
It will lock. He's just giving it
Oh,
grief.
yeah, no.
There's always somebody who's got an opinion about SE Lock and Key, which I personally think is the best, locksmith company in the world. This guy, the company itself is pretty strong. Anyway, Broad Street. Come on in.
Yes, let's go in and check out
After
Broad
you.
Street. I came right
So
over
Broad Street's
lunchtime.
located in Banner Hall, which is an I-55 and Northside Drive in Jackson, Mississippi, and we are a breakfast, lunch, and dinner delicatessen. We are right before the lunch hour, so we actually have some space to breathe in here. But we've got a delightful front line of folks. We have our short order breakfast, then we do sandwiches, soup, salad, quiche, pastas, and the like for lunch and dinner, and then we're a full-blown bakery. So Jason comes over here and Googles the case.
Yes. Let's,
You can see that we do ours, cookies, brownies, croissant, brioche, scones, the works. Then in our cold case, a full set of full-size desserts, both by the whole and by the piece. And then we also do bread. We're a full-blown bakery, so over here, European breads, crusty bread, sourdough, whole wheat, strewn, baguette, the works. We make sandwiches from all of our bread. We bake every single day. Anything that's left over, we don't sell day old. We give to the gleaners. But what Jason cakes?
I've come for king cakes.
Let me show you the king cakes.
We're gonna go look at the king cakes. There is literally
This is today's baked king cakes, already been pulled down. Every 5 to 10 minutes, somebody comes in to get one of these guys. So if you take a look, this is a traditional king cake. Traditional colors are green, purple, and yellow. And we do our king cakes with real rich ingredients: butter, brioche dough, almond pastry cream, cream cheese. So this is my favorite, which is the almond pastry cream type, which is what you're going to want.
Yeah.
And this is
we tried the cinnamon last year.
delicious,
And
but this will really get you. Now feel that thing.
I know it's heavy. It's like 5 pounds.
It's a lot.
It's a
So
lot.
that will last you and Kim, that should last you a week.
We're probably gonna have to share it with a few other people.
You might have to.
Yes. So that is king cakes, and we're gonna go cut this.
I hope
open
he's going
at
to
the
cut it and
shop.
show it to you.
Yes, we are. We're gonna cut and show it to you when I get back to the shop, and I appreciate you doing my little.
We appreciate
king
you.
cake spiel.
My pleasure.
Thanks.
Thank you for sharing with all you folks out there. I hope this unlocks a mystery for you.
King of puns.
King of puns, and there's no Buddy Fire. All right.
We're
Callie
gonna-
will take good care of you.
Yes.
Katie, Jason's getting a king cake and wants to have everybody say hi. Thank you. Peace out.
Hey everybody.
Okay, so just one.
Well, there you have it, guys. Oh, king cake from Broad Street Bakery, I-55 North Jackson. We're gonna take this back to the shop, cut into it, so that those of you who have never seen, sun's right in my eyes, so that those of you who have never seen a king cake will actually be able to see a king cake on this channel. Kind of weird, but let's get back to the shop. Okay, y'all, we are back in the shop with Kim. I surprised her with a king cake. And yes, the king cake from Broad Street. And I'm going to read the top of it because traditionally, king cakes come with a baby inside of it, like hidden in it. However, they don't do that. Obviously, in the U.S., it's a choking hazard. And so they, on the sticker on the top of it here, it says, "Thank you for selecting a Broad Street king cake. We trust you'll agree it's the richest, most delectable king cake you've ever eaten. We take great pride in our recipe and baking process. We have provided you with the traditional plastic baby. However, for your safety, we have not inserted it into the cake. Should you wish to invite your guests to enjoy the entertainment of finding this omen of blessings in the year to come, feel free to lift the ring and insert the baby under the bottom. So normally it would be hidden throughout the cake, and obviously if I hid the baby, I would know where it was. But the point is if you find the baby, you're blessed with good tidings or something. I'm not sure of the exact.
That meant you had to buy the king cake next year.
Right. Plus it means you have to buy the king cake next year. So let's cut into it and see what it looks like.
Carnival season starts on Epiphany, January 6th, and goes through Mardi Gras, which is Fat Tuesday, which is the day before Lent starts. King cakes are traditional celebrations of the season. They're round like a crown. The baby represents the baby Jesus. This is all about the Epiphany, the finding of the Christ child. So this is a cultural thing that is a celebration of Epiphany, a celebration of the light of Christ. So this cake is a delicious almond pastry cream concoction. It is butter, cream cheese, brioche dough, and almond pastry cream. It is fantastic.
Oh, this one's already been opened.
Oh, what happened to the beads? Oh, we gotta fix it.
Oh, it slid in my truck.
We gotta fix it.
Wait, hold on. Okay, we're gonna try that again. Oh, wait.
Oh my geez.
Oh my goodness, that looks so good.
Look at the little naked baby.
And I got more beads to add to our collection.
Woohoo.
So let's cut into this bad boy, y'all.
Did you get the knife?
I got the knife right here. All right, so
That would be a big choking hazard.
The brioche crust with the traditional yellow, purple, and green Mardi Gras colors on it. We're just gonna move these right over here. And we're not gonna hide the baby because we'll both know where it is. And we're gonna give a piece to a next door neighbor, but I guess we could put the baby in there and see if she starts choking.
That's not nice. Same neighbor whose husband came in to ask to smell our bathroom.
Oh yeah, the bathroom smell, the bathroom smelly guy. It's kind of hard to figure out how to slice this thing, so I'm just gonna
slice it.
Just gonna cut into it like this. Kind of like a cake, I guess. Let's see.
My hands are clean.
Mine are too.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Cream cheese, almond paste, brioche bread, and crunchy things on top.
Okay, BRB.
Look at those wonderful layers. I guess I'll cut one for Kim too. Wonder if she wants purple or green. Let's give her green. Flaky. Looks very moist and delicious for sure. They go through so many of these that I'm sure this was baked this morning. I think most of that stack that you saw was baked this morning. They bake them fresh every morning. They get there really early, probably 3 or 4 o'clock. That's the life of a baker. And they crank these things out all day long. Okay, let's give it a try.
All right.
Which one do you want, the green or the yellow?
I don't really care. Does the frosting have different flavors?
I don't think so.
Oh, well.
What the heck are you doing?
I'm taking a small slice.
Oh, that's crazy.
Well, you know.
Okay.
I don't like icing, so.
Well, it's moist.
You taste the almond.
Definitely taste the almond, cream cheese.
Very moist.
The cream cheese and the almond kind of blend together, so you can't really tell.
Somebody made French toast with this.
Yeah, that looks pretty, whew, that was pretty sweet though.
Yeah, that's kind of like a diabetic coma waiting to happen. King cake French toast. Ooh, get that sugar going. Woo. Woo.
Yeah, you definitely can't eat much of this because it's so rich. But the bread, very flaky. All the little layers of the bread is moist. They do an excellent job with this.
They really do.
Unfortunately, they don't ship.
They should. They really should. Because
But it's so heavy, it'd be expensive to ship.
in a small snippet, that guy that was in the video, Jeff Good, our daughter, oldest daughter, used to work at the fine dining Bravo's restaurant. You want to talk about some good food? Ooh.
Yeah, they have good food too. He does. I mentioned Broad Street, but he actually owns 3 restaurants. One down the street from us here, Sal
No love.
Murphy's.
My beads. No, you keep them. Oh no.
Hey, you know what you have to do for beads, right?
We're gonna keep this G-rated.
Well,
No boobs for beads.
that's a different YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Or other channel.
But there's always tonight.
I was already kind of full from lunch, so I'm gonna try to finish my whole piece.
I can't.
It's so good.
Either that or I'll be bouncing off the walls. Oh, you know what this would be really good
From the
with?
outside, it looks really dry, but it's not. It's totally moist.
You know what would be really good with this?
Coffee.
Coffee! Coffee, coffee, coffee.
Mm-hmm.
We love our coffee. Which, guys, we really don't drink that much coffee. I mean, on an average, between the both of us, it's probably maybe 3 cups a day.
She's talking about this video.
That video. Oh, yeah.
That video.
That video.
The one up here.
Mm-hmm.
So that is it. Very, and it's buttery. So in Mississippi, butter is the prime ingredient for everything, which is why we're one of the most obese states, because we love butter. But it's very buttery as well. The bread is a very good buttery. So it's like a flaky, is it kind of like a croissant almost? Like for people who've never tried brioche bread?
It would be like, kind of like bread pudding, I guess, is kind of what it comes
like
to.
a bread pudding,
Like a bread pudding,
but with cream cheese and almond.
but not nearly as soggy.
I like this one better than I like the cinnamon. The cinnamon
Yes.
was good, but the cinnamon it was just too
was
many
too much
too many
cinnamon.
flavors. Yeah, this is
Well, I
really
think it was the cinnamon and the almond that they had in it or something.
it was too much. Yeah.
Yeah.
So traditional almond. Anyway, we're gonna finish eating this and go.
Take a nap.
It's time to go.
Yeah. Coffee and a nap.
It's only like noon, but it's time to go now. So
Wow.
anyway, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks, guys.
I wish I could send everybody out there a king cake, because that'd
This
be
is-
nice. But
Yes. Oh, look, the sun's like, oh, look at that. I got a little fan on my forehead. I was going to tell you guys something.
and
What was I going to tell them?
again, I'm not from Louisiana. Louisiana is our southern neighbor. We go to New Orleans all the time. Even people from New Orleans come to get these king cakes from Jackson. So that's impressive. They do a really good job. New Orleans or Louisiana, of course, is the originator.
Definitely not a grocery store king cake.
Definitely not. Very good. So anybody locally who's watching this, go to Broad Street, get you a king cake. It's $30, but it can feed
Well, like Jeff said, for the next week and possibly for...
2 people for a week and a half, and that. But I mean, it would probably dry out by then. So,
Well, if we kept it right.
but it could feed 10 or 12 people. I mean, great for a party. So, yes. Anybody else? If you ever have a chance to try a king cake, hopefully it's as good as Jeff Good and Broad Street's king cake is. But otherwise, we just thought we'd do this video because a lot of y'all don't know what king cake. A lot of y'all don't understand Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is huge here in the South.
Oh, yeah.
And it's part
Definitely.
of Mardi Gras. So.
And I can't do Mardi Gras. That is
Yeah,
way too
we've
many
done
crazy
it.
people.
Yeah.
Crazy pants. But, you know, if any of you viewers ever come and visit to Jackson, Mississippi, you need to let us know so we can, like, line up a week's or a couple of days worth or however much time you're going to be here, the best places to go eat. Because we just had the best ribs from a gas station.
From a gas station.
But they are good. So, yeah.
Anyway, thanks
have
again,
great
guys. See y'all next video. If you have any questions or comments or want to
One last peek. That's fine.
buy one and ship it. If you're in the continental U.S., I mean, I'll be glad to go buy you one and mail it to you, but you're probably looking at $50, $60 for one. So kind of cost prohibitive, but if you are interested in it, I'll be glad to. Yeah, there's a UPS store that gives people deals on shipping these. They give them like 10% off, but it would still cost you probably $60 altogether with the king cake. So unfortunately, we can't give y'all all slices. We wish you were here, but that is.
We're eating it for you guys.
Yes, we're eating it for you guys. Thanks, guys. We'll catch y'all next video.